In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Whirlpool refrigerator when it shows the cooling off message. This quick reset method can help get your fridge back to normal without any hassle. First, unplug your refrigerator from the power outlet. Leave it unplugged for about 5 minutes to let the system reset. This helps clear any temporary glitches causing the message. After 5 minutes, plug it back in and turn the fridge on. Check if the cooling off message disappears and the fridge starts cooling normally. If the message is still there, try pressing and holding the power or reset button on your fridge's control panel for a few seconds. This varies by model, so check your user manual if you're unsure. Also, make sure the fridge door is fully closed and the vents inside aren't blocked, as these can cause cooling issues. If none of these steps work, there might be a deeper problem, and contacting Whirlpool support or a technician is a good next step. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy appliance fixes.